Hello and namaste to all the lovely viewers watching my video. I am Richa and welcome back to my YouTube channel Enchanting Lights. Guys, this is my candle making video number 20 and today I am going to make something very interesting for you all. And these are, can you guess it? Yes, that's right. These are kids candle and we are going to make these candles in different cartoon shaped molds. And also we are going to make these candles without molds. Suppose if you are not having these kinds of fancy molds, you can even make these candles with the help of cookie cutters. So let's check out what all we need for making these beautiful candles. At first we'll be needing the basic material, that is paraffin wax. Then some acrylic colors of your choice, some candle colors, wick roll. This wick roll I have cut into long strips and I have dipped into hot wax and made hard. Then this is a wick sustainer, a safety pin just in case we need to make hole and a little hole with the help of this, and the skewer, some brushes, scissor, silicone molds of your choice, a tin tray and some cookie cutters. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the latest notifications. So now let's get started. So guys, the first step is to melt the paraffin wax completely so that it gets into liquid state. And once I melt it, I'll be pouring it into this tin tray in this pony mold and this my little Hello Kitty mold. So because I want to keep these two in white and this one also in white, because I'm going to paint on this, and also on these two I'm going to do some work with the help of acrylic colors. So first I'll do it with white color. So I'll melt it and get back to you. Friends, before pouring the melted wax into this container, I'm just putting some normal hair oil to grease the mold so that our cutouts or candles which we are making in this come out easily. So greasing is a very important step. For silicone molds you need not grease because they are quite flexible and candle comes out easily from these molds. So I have melted the paraffin wax completely and I'm just pouring it. Now I'll add few more paraffin wax to this and I'll add red color and pour into my vehicle mold. Friends, my wax has already set. It's not very hard, it's quite soft from inside because I want the same consistency so that I can cut using my cookie cutters. So I'm taking this circle one and just pressing it inside. And just take it out. Similarly, the flower one. You can take any shape cookie cutters of your choice, but make sure you take a bit bigger one. I'm just thinking how I should adjust this, or else I'll have to take a smaller one than this. Yeah. I have this empty space, so I'll use a smaller stars. So guys, I have separated these wax pieces from the tray, and it's quite soft from inside. I have purposely kept it soft so that it's easier for me to fix the wick. See, I'm just putting the skewer and it's going very easily in vertical direction because it's quite soft from inside. Once you allow it to harden completely, then you won't be able to fix the wick. You'll have to take some wire or something, heat it, and then you can fix the wick. So that is a tedious process. So I have purposely kept it softer. See how easily I have fixed the wick in this. Even in my earlier video of emoji candles, I have shown you this process. Guys, do check out that video as well. That's an amazing candle which you can make at home. So this is how I have fixed the wick. Similarly, I have fixed the wick in this flower shape as well. I'll fix in the other shapes. In the meantime, let's check out whether our silicone molds are ready or not. I think this is quite wet from inside. The kitty is ready to demold. So I'll gently take the kitty out. See how easily I have demolded it. The kitty also is softer from inside. So I'll fix the wick in this also, and then we'll proceed further. So guys, the first candle which I'm making is a Peppa candle. I'm just drawing a simple figure of Peppa, which is a very favorite amongst all the kids. So guys, after painting, this is how my candles look like, and they're looking absolutely cute, and you can make any cartoon character, any theme of your choice. And guys, these candles are quite expensive when you buy them from market. So you have seen how easy it is to make this at home with many varieties and with minimal cost, and you just have to paint them and they are ready. They can be lighten up on the birthday parties, or you can gift them to your little ones, or you can even club them with hampers. So guys, do try these beautiful candles out and share your inputs and come in the comment section. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such beautiful and creative videos, keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.